The person police wanted when they smashed in the window at the South Louisville home was already in jail.
LMPD ended up slapping handcuffs on a painter and his family who was inside that home to work. And tonight, WDRB's Katrina Nickel tells us how that family scored a key victory in their 5-year-long fight for justice.
Right, it has been many, many years, and this case was originally dismissed last year, but a court of appeals overturned that ruling last month, thanks in part to DOJ investigation into LMPD.
Police for the what? Police for the what? I've got cover, Chief.
And we was caught up in the mix. So it was really scary.
July 2019, Roy Stucker and his girlfriend and her daughter found themselves in the middle of chaos as LMPD raided this South Louisville home on a search warrant.
Walk to me, hands up, walk to me.
Stucker and his family did not live here. They were hired to paint the inside of the house. The same house LMPD associated with a suspected drug dealer, who, as it turned out,
don't do this to my daughter,
was already in jail.
I don't think it's right. You should put an 11-year-old in handcuffs.
The family filed a lawsuit in 2020. In March 2023, the case was dismissed.
I really then didn't think we had a case either. You know, they were kind of untouchable.
But a federal appeals court reinstated the case. Stucker's attorney included the Department of Justice report on LMPD. Despite the city's request to disregard its findings, the judge ruled the DOJ report was grounded in data that is relevant to this case, citing how LMPD engaged in a pattern of practice of seeking search warrants in ways that deprive individuals of their rights. Interestingly enough, Mary Shaw, the same judge who signed off on the warrant the night LMPD officers killed Breonna Taylor in a raid,
There's somebody in there dead? Yeah, my girlfriend, it's her house.
approved this one too.
That's what criminals do. You know, if you had a video of somebody doing something wrong, of course they ain't gonna want it. You know, they did a lot of bad. They wanted to go away.
The federal appeals court found the officer who applied for the warrant did not have formal training on warrants in 6 years.
Imagine if your kids was in handcuffs.
Stucker hopes their fight in court will prevent other families from surviving the trauma of a wrong raid.
I wouldn't want anybody else to go through what me and my families went through and been going through, thinking that they got away with it.
Neither LMPD nor the Jefferson County Attorney's Office would comment on this case. Typically, neither comment on pending litigation. With photojournalist Greg Shapker, Katrina Nickel, WDRB News.
Katrina, thank you.